Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Global appeal for reggae and dancehall music. The global impact of reggae and dancehall music is evident, especially in Africa, which is home to a multitude of artists who fuse Afrobeat, rhythm and blues, reggae and dancehall to reshape the sound of traditional African music. The reggae dancehall influence is evident in the rise of African reggae dancehall artists, such as Afrobeat, Burna Boy and Stonebwoy. The African appreciation for dancehall and reggae music was evident when Buju Banton touched down in Kenya recently for his first show in the motherland since his release from prison in 2018. Buju's reaction to the warm reception shows that his admiration is mutual.
Welcome, this is a sign of respect to you. Welcome to the motherland. We have been waiting and we are happy to see you.
Good evening, my people. Can I say I'm so happy to be home?
A further display of the Jamaican African solidarity was seen when Buju invited Ugandan singer and politician Bobby Wine on stage at his mega concert in Kenya over the weekend. Buju Banton is set to release a new album come April. Reggae artist Kez Namdi and Canadian rapper Tory Lanez have teamed up to create a new pulsating track dubbed City Lock. The heavy-hitting tune, which is available on all major digital streaming platforms, mixes classic reggae beats, militant dancehall melodies with Tory Lanez rapping in his auto-tune-laced chorus. Kez Namdi noted that he chose to collaborate with the Canadian rapper as Toronto has historically been a major avenue for reggae music becoming mainstream. So he thinks that City Lock will be a special moment for the culture. Kez Namdi's forthcoming album called Bloodline will be released on March 13. City Lock follows Kez Namdi's Love Me Love single last September, both of which will be featured on Bloodline. Members of the rap fraternity are mourning the untimely death of emerging New York rapper Pop Smoke, who died yesterday in a suspected armed robbery in the Hollywood Hills. In the wake of the news, Pop Smoke's fellow hip-hop peers and other celebrities, including Snoop Dogg, 50 Cent, Nas, Megan Thee Stallion, socialite Kylie Jenner and dancehall artist Popcorn, all reacted to his tragic death and expressed their condolences to the family of Pop Smoke, who was only 20 years old. Rapper Nicki Minaj, who collaborated with Pop Smoke on the remix to his mega hit Welcome to the Party, posted that, quote, "The Bible tells us that jealousy is as cruel as the grave. Unbelievable. Rest in peace, Pop," end quote. Smoke released two mixtapes, 2019's Meet the Woo and its 2020 sequel Meet the Woo 2, and was best known for his 2019 single Welcome to the Party. Visuals for Pop Smoke's club bagger Welcome to the Party has racked up over 26 million views on YouTube. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.
E-Prime brought to you by